the Irish Academy Award for Outstanding Contribution. And to present the award is one of Ireland's leading ladies, Seoige, the original Galway girl. Would you please welcome Grainne Seoige?
Okay, I'm very, very privileged to have been at what was called at that stage Tina G and is now TG Cahead on day one. I can't believe it. Since then, the hard work of everyone at that channel has turned them from a David to a Goliath of broadcasting here in Ireland. Cahamara, Gramahain, an Vrodul, mar Chalín as Connemara, tá go leor go muinse Connemara, agus muinse na gaelchtaí fad here in Seo Nacht. Gorama John an ihe starúil sin agus gorinne muid rud a cinch a bhí chohéfatach gonchanga. One man who's been there since the start. We're going to take a look now at his vast and accomplished legacy.
Congratulations, Mícheál, on receiving this Irish Academy Award which you so richly deserve.
An bhfuil tusa ag leabhar lumsa.
Díghaíb agus fáilte go dtíon chéad chlár go nuacht Tina G.
There's absolutely no doubt that you have been one of the most influential people at TG Cahead across 20 years of wonderful, ambitious, distinctive programming Oscailge. Mícheál has always had this enormous ambition for the Irish language, in making the language and the stories accessible, and I think this ultimately has been his legacy.
It's beautiful.
I mean, who on earth would have had the courage to do an American Western set in the west of Ireland about the gold rush in the Klondike? And yet, that's just what Mícheál did. And what he delivered was an award-winning show of international standing.
Celebrate. This party's over. I'm going home.
I was fortunate enough to get to use my cúpla focal in the award-winning film Kings, directed by Tommy Collins, about a bunch of men from the west of Ireland who were brought together at a funeral where some uncomfortable truths emerge. This film was deservedly the Irish entry for foreign language film at the Oscars.
He claims it's dangerous to be innocent. Shoot a victim every time.
Mícheál has been instrumental in providing a training ground for new crew and screen talent Oscailge.
Good Jimmer tattoo Mícheál, and it's great to see you've got this Lifetime Achievement Award. I know my career wouldn't have been the great career that it is without you. So from Derry, I'd like all this crew to wish you well, and we'll all say thanks, Mícheál.
Thanks,
Mícheál a chora gurabágat.
Party's over. I'm going home.
It is an honour to be here to ask this man to come forward and collect this award for outstanding contribution to our industry, Mícheál O'Malley.
Okay. Earlier on, I was saying to myself, am I somebody? Okay, at those points, we have some more about the IFTA, the Irish Film and Television Academy, I sucked an ahanta shaw, and tandas to TG Cahead. It was as an actor I began put an interest in this business, believe it or not. My father was very dubious about such a career choice. One night, after a few drinks, he said, "This clowning business will come to no good." Well, Pop, matadon knocked the gauch she's I think you may change your mind. Okaj Inka. For the first 10 years, on Meallaigh agus Tuairban, the core commissioning office contained myself and 3 dedicated, hard-working females who were nicknamed Mícheál's Angels. They're sharing my table tonight. Agus bhhailm an gradam seo a rinch law, there's na daoine eile sa ranóg, agus de fudan umlan TG Cahead, rush the privilege agam de gobar law le breis scór blian. Caim me buchas a ggóil cymal yn Meallaigh ac o'r Sŵslam nyr fi me ffri frw agos cantala. Agus le me van Céile Adele, who in spite of continually being wakened in the middle of the night with a clicking pen as I read scripts, she just didn't throw me out, turned over, groaned and broke the pen in half. Mar uckle score. Mar uckle score, a shot with Tawagta, something important here. In the increasingly globalized world, the importance of being able to tell our own stories and to retain our own unique identity and language and Gaeilge will only become obvious when the opportunity has been lost. Gur míl maigah.